Mauritius. Good morning. How are you guys? I'm so excited to come to you and explain to you about everything related to the cast partial denture right from the beginning, like diagnosis and treatment planning, fabrication of the cast partial denture and the delivery. Right now, if you can see, after the case selection criteria, we proceed with the surveying procedure. We use different types of the surveying tools like analyzing rod, your undercut gauges, as you can see it here. Then we have a wax knife, we have a carbon marker. Every instrument in the surveyor has its own role. So we do according to that. It's the step by step what I am going to explain to you in the workshop. After we finish the surveying, we start with the designing of the cast partial denture. In the diagnostic cast, you have to plan what is the rest seat preparation, what is the type of the rest seat, what is the shape of the rest seat, where are you going to place the direct retainers, where are you going to place the indirect retainers, the type of the minor connector and the major connector. So I'm going to explain to you what's the principle related to the designing of the cast partial denture for any kind of the case. Once we are done with the designing on the primary cast, then we start with the mouth preparation. We do the mouth preparation and then we make the secondary impression. The technique of the impression also differs in a cast partial denture. Once we are done with the impression technique, we start the modification in the master cast. We do different types of the blockouts, like I'm going to explain to you in the workshop about the arbitrary blockout, relief blockout, shaped blockouts and the parallel blockouts. How do we do, why do we do it? After we finish the blockout, we proceed with the duplication of the master cast and we fabricate the wax pattern in the duplicate cast. Once the casting is done, we check for the fitting of the framework. After the fitting, we also decide what kind of occlusion are we going to plan for this particular cast partial denture patients. And then we finish the delivery and post-operative care. At the end of the workshop, I will also explain to you about the failures related to the cast partial denture and how are we going to solve it. Thank you. Please guys join with me in this particular workshop. It will be very helpful for you. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.